Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, logical order in if-else statement. Order is important in if-else if statement. The function is executed from top to bottom. So you will want to be careful of what statement comes first. Take these two functions as example. Here in the first function foo with a parameter of x. If x is less than 1, then return less than 1. If else if x is less than 2, return less than 2. Else greater than or equal to 2. And the second just switches the order. If x is less than 2, return less than 2. Else if x is less than 1, return less than 1. Else greater than or equal to 2. Will the two functions look nearly identical? If we pass a number to both, we get different outputs. Foo 0 less than 1 and in this case less than 2. Because the first time it checks for the condition is true, so it will give the value of this. And in the same pattern, this condition is also true, so it will pass this. So in this way the order is important, and depending upon the order we will get the result. Let's see the task for this challenge. Change the order of logic in function so that it will return the correct statement in all cases. So we have to change the order, means val less than 5 and val less than 10. So first we will check val less than 5. I think we should remove the whole portion from here and instead we should use else and paste and remove from here. So in this case, if val is less than 5, return less than 5, else if val less than 10, less than 10, and in the third, else return greater than or equal to 10. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.